I think they are 24 propeta. 24 propeta. Ang sinasabi dito, mga propeta.
God. At once I was in the Spirit, and there before me was a throne in heaven with someone sitting on it. And the one who sat there had the appearance of jasper and ruby. A rainbow that shone like an emerald encircled the throne. Surrounding the throne were 24 other thrones, and seated on them were 24 elders. They were dressed in white and had crowns of gold on their heads. From the throne came flashes of lightning, rumblings, and peals of thunder. In front of the throne, 7 lamps were blazing. These are the 7 spirits of God. Also, in front of the throne, there was what looked like a sea of glass, clear as crystal. In the center around the throne were 4 living creatures. Day and night, they never stopped saying, "Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. Our God is worthy of worship."
Yeah. I think this is the 24 propeta tong to. People na sinasabi na 24 propeta. Sila ni Moises, sila ni David, sila ni Alicia, si Abraham, Isaac, Ismael, Jacob, Samuel, yung lahat ng 24 propeta. Tapos si Solomon, yung mga lahi, mga generation, most na yung ni Abraham. Kasi siya ang pinakaunang propeta. It's Abraham, the first propeta. Yan sila, 24. Tapos yung generation.